I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite.
Ogasula, what color my chain?
How much are they owe you?
200 naira.
100 naira
Oh,
I
Allah,
get.
bring her. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Noel Shantis. Actually, I'm from JMP Company, and we are doing a promo, and it's called Operation Not Talking to Anybody. This promo is about not talking to anybody. Operation Not Talking to Anybody. So all you have to do now, you're expected to stay for 24 hours without talking to anybody. And if you can actually do that, you'll be able to win 1 million.
1 million naira. For not talking to anybody.
Yes.
I'm not talking to anybody again.
There's a monitoring chip on this band. If you remove it, you'll know. If you talk, you will know. So,
Joshua for now. No, we can't collect your bill again. If you get that for my house, so Joshua.
Chairman, I just won 2 million now on the spot from Olotu. You know what? Give me your account number. Let me send 1 million to you. I go send you 1 million like this, so.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, madam, I don't come for my money. That 1 million when you promised me, I don't talk to anybody. If you check them.
if you come like 5 minutes ago,
Wait till happen now.
I not tell you say the company don't liquidate.
You said the company has done what? The company has done what?
Photo. Stop it, Juju.